I have Sequoia and All-Star strawberry plants. These are June or summer bearing strawberries. Those are elephant garlic and tulips, which I planted last fall. I added alfalfa meal, which I soaked last night, to my soil. I'm putting a non-burning fertilizer, which has a low value of the NPK. This is the crown of the strawberry plant. It should be planted above the soil level. If there are some flowers or little fruits, you have to remove them. The leaf stem is broken, so I'm going to trim it also. More flowers to remove. The strawberries were watered. The best time to plant strawberry seedlings is in late winter to early spring, in full sun with a well draining soil which is slightly acidic, between pH 5.5 to 6.5. The ideal spacing between strawberries is between 12 to 18 inches. I'm doing 10 inches only because I don't have the area. Our last frost here is in the middle of April, but it can be as late as in the last week of May. So I'm using mulch to protect my strawberry plants from the hailstorm. Hailstorms can cause severe damage to the leaves and fruits and even the stems of the plant.